Okay, hi everyone and welcome to day 9. I've got the day right today. Sorry about that yesterday. Right, what we're going to do today won't be too long for you, and that is all explaining about what a candlestick is. Now, if I go on to my watch list, which I showed you yesterday, go on to the euro dollar, because that was what we were with the other day, so we'll stick with that for the moment. Well done for getting this far, by the way, and well done for sticking it out. It's not exactly a quick process, I know, but Forex isn't really a quick process. It does take a time to get hold of and get used to. So please stick with it. You're doing well so far. And for some unknown reason, my chart doesn't want to load. Never mind. We'll do in a minute. So we're going to go through candlesticks and explain what's happening and why. I'll just bring this screen up a little bit bigger for you. He says. Okay, so here we go. We're on a 15-minute chart. We'll change this to a daily, which will give you more of a picture of what's going on. Right, so here we can see, for instance, back in January, price was at 13259. So the euro would have bought you 1.3259 US dollars. That's what it's saying. But as we go through the days and we get up to the 21st of April, we can see that your euro would buy you $1.4579. So you can see how quick price can change in quite dramatically, actually. If you go to something like the pound yen, you'll find that there is big moves on the pound yen, but then the spread is bigger to IG index or to any trading platform, to the broker you're with. The spread will be bigger because it moves more. Like this euro dollar, the spread is 2 pips, the pound dollar is 3, and I think the pound yen is something like 7 or 8. I don't trade it that often. But you can see, so we've got red candlesticks. Let's just zoom in a little bit more for you. Okay, red candlestick. On that day, what that's saying to you is it actually went down as far as the end of that week. So if you put your cursor on that candle, you'll get your box coming up saying the high was 144.20 and the low was 14157. Now, if we put our cursor there, you can see the low of the candle was actually 14219, but that's not what it's giving you. It's giving you the low of that wick on that particular day. So that's your lowest for the day. The green one is showing the markets going up. The green one again is showing the markets going up. Here it's still active. It has actually been up as far as, it'll tell you if you put the box on there again, it has been up as far as 14648. So it's saying to you it has been up, but at the moment it's lower. It's at 14571. So that's how you can watch your charts, but they do change quite dramatically, some of them. It just depends which currency pair you're dealing with. Also, have a look around all these currency pairs, get your candles, go on your time frames, change all your time frames, look at your 5 minutes, your 10 minutes, and find out exactly what they all mean and see how they move. And you will see a vast difference if you go through all different currencies. So, for instance, we're on a daily now. If we go down to a 4-hour, you can see the difference. And if we go from a 4-hour down to a 1-hour, you can see the difference again. So each chart will tell you different things. This here at the bottom, by the way, are stochastics, which is saying to you at the moment, this is good to buy because it's been oversold, it's gone right down, they've crossed over, and they're now starting to come back up again. So it is actually saying that there is a possible buy trade here at the moment. The idea being, we're on the 1-hour. If we zoom in to the 15-minute, zoom in again a bit more. Okay, there's an MA crossover. Market's gone down. There's a crossover, and the market's going up. Now the market's going to go up, but it will always dip before it carries on. You will always get a 1, 2, 3. So if you look at your trades, you'll always get a 1, 2, 3. Here it wasn't very big, but 1, 2, and 3 down. And you'll find this historically as you go back through your charts. You will find, if we can find a good one for you, there's one back there actually, we just passed. Here, you've had the crossover, it's gone up, it's come down, and it's gone again. Here, it's gone up, it's come down. You see? It's gone up, had a little bit of a retrace. There's your 2, there's your 3. And it'll do it every time. There's the crossover, there's your down 1, there's your 2 up, and there's your 3. So always watch for those MA crossovers, as I said, and always go through these candlesticks and check them all. Go back and do some testing on different charts. Go around all your charts and see how you get on, because it does work quite well. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy your weekend. I am going to carry on doing these through the Easter break, so you can look at them at your leisure whenever you want to. Day 10 will be reading candlestick prices, so that'll be what I'll be doing for you tomorrow. Okay, enjoy your weekend. Thanks.